Well, today's video should have just been an update on the spa, showing some new pillows, being fitted. Anyone that follows my videos will know that you can't get the original pillows. The company that I bought the spa from stopped stocking the spares for it and directed us to Wellis in Hungary. Now, last year we bought 3 pillows. We had to buy these adapters, and basically these adapters go into the original holes. You screw 3 screws in. Instantly there's a problem there because the screw was going into the body of the spa, which clearly isn't correct. I thought, well, it doesn't matter too much, I can put shorter screws in there, but I just wanted to see how easy the cushions, I keep saying cushions, pillows they call them, go in. What happens is this bit here goes inside the cushion pillow like that. Same the other side, and then obviously you just push them back into the spa. Let me just pop that in there. And they're in fully, as you can see, and the problem is they don't fit. They are nowhere near, that's where it should be. Perhaps down a bit, but they are about 3/4 of an inch out. I don't know whether you can see that. I think you probably can. So bloody useless. Best part of 200 quid. Can't even use it. You can't move them further across. As you can see, there's a cutout in there. It only goes back a certain distance, and these already go all the way into that, as you can see. So short of trying to cut out the material in there and then just bringing this back a bit, I don't know what we can do. I don't know whether Wellis have no bloody clue what they're doing. They've sent the wrong items. No clue. I mean, the pillow is correct, as you can see. That is the right size and everything. Very lightweight compared to the originals, but is clearly they've clearly moulded that incorrectly or supplied the wrong mounting pieces. What I'm going to do now is contact Wellis with this video and show them what the problem is. But you know, it's absolutely nowhere near in the right position.